In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a block from a page in your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to declutter your layout or simply remove outdated content, knowing how to efficiently manage your pages is fundamental to keeping your site looking fresh and professional. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your site, so if you haven't visited in a while, welcome back. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select the website you want to work on. If you have multiple sites, be sure to pick the correct one to avoid making unwanted changes elsewhere. Clicking on your website will give you access to a variety of options. So let's move forward with these tweaks by selecting Pages. Now, you're going to see a list of all your pages. At this point, you should click on the specific page you plan to adjust. This is a good moment to verify that you're editing the correct area. So take a second to double check. Once you've clicked on the page you want to work on, look towards the top left of the screen. There should be an Edit button waiting for you there. Click Edit to enter the page editing mode. This is where the magic happens. You're now in the editable view of your page, and you can click directly on the block you want to delete. Keep in mind that blocks in Squarespace refer to individual sections of content, whether they're text, images, or even embedded forms. After clicking on the block you're ready to say goodbye to, you'll notice a toolbar that appears with several options. In this toolbar, there will be a Delete option. Click this and the block will be removed from your page. It's that simple. But before you celebrate this small victory, take a moment to review your changes. Ensure that the absence of this block doesn't leave an unsightly gap in your design or disturb the overall flow of your content. If everything looks the way you want it to, there's just one final but crucial step left. Preserving your hard work comes down to a simple press of the Save button, located at the top left of your screen. This saves your changes and updates your live website, so all your visitors will see the newly revised page. And there you have it. Removing a block from your Squarespace page is as easy as that. Managing your website's content effectively ensures a clean and professional appearance, and using these steps will help maintain a seamless user experience for your visitors. Thank you for tuning in, and happy web editing!